friends, my name is Abhima Chatterjee. In today's video, I will show you how to make a flute at home. So, now I will show you how to make it. So, for making it, the first thing you will need is, where is it? Yes, 2 ice cream sticks, a strip of paper or a strip of ribbon. I don't have ribbon at the moment, so I am using a paper. I will chop it to a ribbon, a small one. A double-sided tape, scissors, and glue. Okay, so let us start making our project. Take a double-sided tape. Take our double-sided tape. Cut a vertical piece from it, a very small piece, one-fourth a centimeter thick, like this. Now take the ice cream stick here, paste it like this. Then open the yellow portion of it, and then you will need to paste a piece of ribbon. Now I will cut the piece of ribbon with the that is of similar size of the ice cream stick. So okay, I am taking an ice cream stick and I am now measuring it. Okay. Till this I will cut. Okay. Now on the piece of ice cream stick where we pasted the double-sided tape, put on this ribbon like this. It's now fixed. Now it's like this. Now this part is coming out from it like a tongue. So to repair this, we will need another very thin piece of double-sided tape, and then on the tongue like ribbon part here we will paste this one, and we will remove the yellow adhesive tape covering it. Okay, then you people will ask a question that then the next step is that putting on this one. But here you people will ask a question that this one is not covered, it will be open, and if we use a double-sided tape there or use a sellotape or something like that, it will be messy and it will not work. So how to fix that? To fix that, I told you to bring glue. On this upper part where it has no adhesive, where it has the adhesive covered, put some glue. And then the last step is very simple. You will take at the other ice cream stick and put it on just like this, and you will let it dry for a few moments. Okay, so it is dry now. Now let's check whether it works or not. Okay, so it works just like the one we made half an hour before. The sound is a little different, but that is different for every flute we make. So thanks for watching today's video. Bye bye.